What is it, Mr. Pete? I think Petey might want something. What is it, Mr. Pete? What is it? Why, Petey, what does Petey want? Oh, Petey, do you want a biscuit? Oh, Coco. What does Coco want? What does Coco want? A biscuit? I guess they want a biscuit. You guys want a biscuit? Okay, let's go get a biscuit.